Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by loading a chimney starter with 2-3 pounds of Swift Lite Charcoal. This concentrates heat and lights evenly. Once the starter is on a non-flammable surface, ignite 2-3 fire starters underneath. This gives a controlled, fast flame that reduces flare-ups. Make sure to leave the grill lid open. You need oxygen to feed the fire. In about 10-15 minutes, the coals will glow and develop a fine gray ash. This signals they're ready for the next step. Once the coals are ashed over, dump them into the grill and immediately shape your cooking zones. Push coals to one side for indirect heat or distribute evenly for direct grilling. You control temperature primarily with vents. Open them wide for more oxygen and higher temps, or close them slowly to reduce heat by roughly 25–40%. Use long tongs to arrange coals. Doing this right now prevents cold patches and gives predictable searing and baking conditions for whatever you're cooking. You now place food on the grill, matching cooking zones to recipes. Use a probe thermometer to hit target temps precisely. Keep the lid closed to maintain steady heat and only open briefly to flip. When cooking finishes, close all vents and shut the lid to extinguish coals. This cuts oxygen and speeds cooling, which may take several hours. Once cold, dispose of ash safely, scrub grates, and store remaining Swift Lite Charcoal dry. If heat is uneven, rearrange hot coals and add a small handful to weak areas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.